Hello students, today we will be discussing about the hydroboration reaction. So you can see in the case of hydroboration reaction, we have to find out what is the product obtained on the reaction of an alkene or propene with diborane in presence of hydrogen peroxide. Now in the case of diborane, we are representing diborane as what? We are representing diborane as B2H6. Now this diborane is an what type of compound? It is an electron deficient compound and thus it acts as an electrophile and adds on to the double bond. Now in the case of diborane, B2H6 can be represented as what? It can be represented as 2BH3 thrice, or we can write it as BH3 can be written in this way. It can be written in this way, or we can write it as what? HBH2. Now let us consider the hydroboration reaction. So in this case we are taking propene and we are taking HBH2. We are taking HBH3. Now in this case HBH3 can be written as what? It can be written as HBH2. Now in this case it undergoes or it breaks forming what? H plus and BH2 minus. So the addition for this is what type of rule? It follows anti-Markovnikov rule. It follows which rule? It follows anti-Markovnikov rule. So in the case of hydroboration, it follows what type of rule is being followed here? Anti-Markovnikov. That means negative part goes to the carbon atom with lesser number of hydrogen atom and positive part goes to the carbon atom with more number of hydrogen atom. So we can write our product as, we can write it as what? It can be written as CH3. This hydrogen will add on to this. Thus we will be getting CH2. We will be getting CH2. And what is that? It is our BH2. To this again we are adding one more molecule of propene. To the above product we are again adding one molecule of propene. So for our convenience and better understanding, we can write this BH2 as what? This BH2 can be written as BH2. It can be written like this. Now again we are adding it to what? We are again adding it to one molecule of propene. So you can see here that again what? Here this one goes as H plus ion and this part will be our what? BH minus ion. So again it follows anti-Markovnikov rule. This H plus will add to the carbon atom with lesser number of hydrogen atom. So our product will be, we have to first write this part. So our product will be what? It will be CH3, CH2, CH2. To this CH2 what? BH will be added. We can write it as BH. Again the rest of our part, that is CH2, CH2 and what? CH3. Now again we are adding one more molecule of propene. So CH double bond CH2. So again we are adding one more molecule of propene. So again what happens? This one goes as H plus and adds on to this carbon and this one is our B minus. So this whole part adds to the carbon atom with more number of hydrogen atom. So our product can be written as what? First let us write this one. So it will be CH3. What it becomes? CH2. The double bond breaks and thus we get what? We get CH2 and this whole parts add. This whole part adds on to it. Thus we will be getting B, CH2, CH2, CH3 and this can be written as again what? CH2, CH2, CH3. So this one is, or it can be written as what? It is our CH3, CH2, CH2 thrice borane. Okay, this one can be written as CH3, CH2, CH2 thrice borane, or that is our what? Trialkyl borane. So what we are getting? So on adding hydrogen peroxide, this bond will break and OH will add. Thus our product will be what? Our product will be CH3, 3 molecules of CH3, CH2, CH2OH. That is what? It is our propanol. And what we will be getting? And we will be getting BOH thrice, or BOH thrice can be written as what? It is our H3BO3. That is our what? Our boric acid. So in this case we can see, in the case of hydroboration reaction, what is the product that we are getting? Propene reacts with diborane to give what? To give propanol and propanol and boric acid. We will be getting propanol and our boric acid. This is all about hydroboration reaction. Hope it is clear. Thank you.